Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting the essentials: the base mesh, reference images for the mesh boy body, and the right plugins. Once done, open Blender 3x or your preferred app. Make sure FBX/OBJ import-export is active. Import the base mesh and place reference images in orthographic views so you can align proportions. You need to check topology quality now because good edge flow saves time later. Fix obvious non-manifold faces and apply transforms before moving to topology edits. Next, reshape the mesh to achieve the boy body proportions. You will use proportional editing and lattice modifiers to change height, limb length, and torso width while preserving silhouette. Do small iterative adjustments and compare to references. Make sure joint loops at shoulders, elbows, hips, and knees remain clean for later deformation. This is why you retopologize or use a shrink-wrap workflow when subdivision distorts flow. Once comfortable, apply modifiers and prepare for weighting and rigging steps. Now rig the adjusted mesh. Create or import an armature, align bones to anatomy, and apply automatic weights. You will then refine weights manually where deformation is poor. Test common poses: walk, T-pose, crouch, and fix problem areas by smoothing, pinning, or editing vertex groups. Finally, apply scale/rotation, bake shape keys if needed, and export as FBX or GLB for your target engine. If skinning looks wrong, recheck bone assignments and vertex group influences as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.